Hello everyone. Today we are going to make a smart railway crossing system. First, let's open our Robotics kit. Inside the kit, we find an Arduino Uno, an IR sensor, a breadboard, some jumper wires, an Arduino cable, and a servo motor. Now, let's start building. We take an Arduino Uno and the breadboard. We connect 5 volts from Arduino to the positive line of the breadboard. Now, we take an IR sensor. It has 3 pins: VCC, GND and out. We connect VCC to the positive line. We connect GND to the negative line. Then we connect out to digital D2 of an Arduino. Now our sensor is ready to detect the train. Let's connect the servo motor. The servo motor has 3 wires: red, brown and yellow. The red wire goes to 5 volt. The brown wire goes to ground and the yellow wire is the signal wire. We connect the yellow wire to digital pin D9 of an Arduino. This servo will work as our railway gate. Now let's upload the code. We open the Arduino IDE on the computer. We create a new sketch. We copy the code from Create Academy LMS and paste it here. Then we select Arduino Uno as the board and choose the correct port. We need to verify the code and upload. Now the project starts working. When we bring our right hand near the IR sensor, the gate opens to 90 degrees. When we remove our hands, the gate closes back to 0 degree, just like a real railway crossing. This project is used in railway crossings, parking gates and automatic barriers. This is our smart railway crossing system. Thank you for watching and happy learning.